watching Shreyan's Modification's first video. So why not I introduce myself? My name is Shreyan and here I'll be showing you how to do mini crafts, play synthesizer and much more. And today I'll be showing you how to make a paper ping pong. Not that ping pong, no, this paper ping pong. So let's get started. So first we need a square sheet of paper. Then we need to fold the paper vertically and horizontally. So now that we have done that, now we need to fold the corners on each side. Now we have to flip it backwards and again fold the corners. Now we have to flip it backwards and fold it in half. Now we have to fold it again. Now we have to put our finger through these pockets and ta-da! Our paper ping pong is complete. So, wasn't that easy, friends? If you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new upload. Bye!